This 2019 Coachmen Prism 2150cb is a Class C RV. It is located in Milford North, Delaware, 19963 and is offered for sale by Delmarva RV Center, Milford North. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Coachmen is 25 feet 0 inches in length and features sleep 6, water heater, slide-out, refrigerator, leveling jacks, awning, external shower, air conditioning, LP detector, spare tire kit, oven, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. This 2019 Coachmen Prism 2150cb is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 3500 chassis and is powered by a Mercedes-Benz engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.